Ten things you should never do to your car. Hey car lovers! Today I'm showing you 10 things you should never do to your car. Stick around or your ride might regret it. Bum bum! Tip 1. Over-revving the engine. First up, over-revving your engine. Pushing your car beyond its red line can destroy it fast. Respect those RPMs. Broom! Tip 2. Ignoring maintenance. Number 2. Skipping regular maintenance. Oil changes, brake checks, and tire rotations keep your car alive. Don't ignore them. Bro, your engine needs oil like you need coffee in the morning. Don't starve it unless you like expensive smoke machines. Tip 3. Using the wrong fuel. Premium car? Put premium in it. Cheap fuel can cost you thousands in repairs. Tip 4. Aggressive drifting without skill. Number 4. Drifting like a pro without the skill. Your tires, suspension, and wallet will hate you. Always learn the basics and practice in a safe spot, not public roads. Tip 5. Burnouts and excessive wheel spin. Tip 5. Excessive burnouts. Sure, it looks cool until your tires are gone and your car overheats. Burnouts kill traction and can even melt your tires from the inside. Tip 6. Ignoring warning lights. Sixth tip, ignoring warning lights. That check engine light, it's not a suggestion. Fix it immediately. Small issues can snowball into massive repair bills if you don't act fast. Tip 7. Driving with low fluids. Tip 7. Driving with low fluids. Oil, coolant, brake fluid. Keeping them full keeps your car happy. Just a few seconds of low oil pressure can destroy your engine completely. Tip 8. Excessive idling. Tip 8. Leaving your car idling for too long. Engines hate it, and so does your fuel tank. Idling wastes fuel and builds up carbon deposits inside your engine. Tip 9. Overloading your car. Too much weight damages suspension, brakes, and tires. Keep it light. The extra stress can make your car unstable, especially at high speeds. Tip 10. Ignoring mod limits. And finally, number 10, ignoring your car's limits when modifying. Bigger turbo, more power, make sure your drivetrain can handle it. Not tuning your car properly after big mods can blow your engine or gearbox. Thanks for watching till the end. Follow these tips and your car will thank you. Hit subscribe for more insane car POVs, drifts, and top speed madness.